That's an incredible opportunity which some multinational companies are already exploring.
Diana 係一份國際醫療雜誌嘅行政總裁兼聯合創辦人，20年嚟十分關注醫療保健同埋生命科學行業發展。趁香港國際生物科技論壇暨展覽期間，聯同香港生物科技協會出版一本特刊，介紹大灣區嘅生物科技。事隔5年再嚟到大灣區，用咗1星期走訪唔同嘅生物科技、製藥企業、採訪持份者等等。今次嘅行程有咩收穫呢？
What has impressed me the most is that the information is very scattered, yes, and nobody's able to tell you the full story. So you really need to make an effort to untangle, and there are a lot of jewels in Hong Kong and in the Greater Bay Area. You get good science, people is very diligent, yes, and even for multinational companies operating here, even if the market is small, they are doing a great deal of global clinical trials here. And I think this is not well understood globally, and personally, I was not expected either.
And in 2017, he formally put all those assets in ophthalmology into this subsidiary, and then we did 2 rounds of fundraising, Series A, and in which we raised about $50 million
Okay.
in 2019, and we raised another 200 some million US dollars. So with all this capital, right? So there are a few areas that we spend, we're spending this money, right? One of the most money-consuming areas is clinical trials.
When we were in Nansha, that we were talking to Lee Pharma, that is spinning off an ophthalmology business. I was very surprised of how successful they have been raising funds, Series A, B, and get it listed on the Hong Kong Exchange. There are a few opportunities we have looked at through our interviews, right? Hong Kong has great capabilities to do phase 1 clinical trials. If there is some regulatory alignment within the Greater Bay Area, that can be a great opportunity. Speakers has been talking about 19 hospitals that has been authorized to deliver medicines which are authorized by the hospital authority in Hong Kong. So that's a great opportunity, especially for global pharmaceutical companies who has high-end products that cover unmet medical needs. And why did you choose Nansha? Because it was the only land available, or?
The one reason is that it's a little bit easy to buy the land. It's just at the beginning of the development of Nansha, right? Mm-hmm. And the other reason is that we thought Nansha has lots of policy from national government.
I see.
So those policy is very helpful for the innovation.
I think there is an intention to build those synergies. If the companies know how to play in both sides, they can potentially have the manufacturing there and the operations, the financial structure here. So they are using Hong Kong for the talent, for the easiness to do business, right? And I think perhaps this is a case that policymakers should look to replicate, to make more companies come and make their Asia headquarters here.